Blockchain for beginners. Let's start by talking about what a blockchain is. A blockchain is like a digital notebook that is used to keep track of things like money or information. Each page in the notebook is called a block, and each block is connected to the one before it, kind of like a chain. That's where the name, blockchain, comes from. One of the most popular uses for blockchain technology is something called Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a type of digital money that people can use to buy things online. When someone wants to buy something with Bitcoin, they send a request to make a payment, and that request gets added to the blockchain. Once the payment is approved, a new block is added to the blockchain to show that the payment was made. Blockchain technology has many other use cases as well. For example, it can be used to create digital contracts that automatically execute when certain conditions are met, or to create secure voting systems that prevent fraud. It can also be used to create a digital identity that can be used to prove who you are online. One of the biggest advantages of blockchain is that it is very secure. Each block in a blockchain is connected to the one before it, and once a block is added to the blockchain, it is very difficult to change. This makes it very hard for hackers to steal or tamper with the information in a blockchain. Another advantage of blockchain is that it is decentralized, meaning that no one person or organization controls it. Instead, the blockchain is maintained by a network of computers around the world. This makes it very difficult for any one person or group to shut down or take over a blockchain. So, if you want to implement blockchain in your project, first step would be to understand the requirements, and then you have to select a blockchain platform like Ethereum, EOS or Hyperledger. Next step would be to design the architecture and write smart contracts. After that, you need to test the system and deploy it on the network. And finally, you need to maintain and monitor the system. I hope this gives you a good introduction to what blockchain is and how it works. Let me know if you have any more questions.